At exactly 12:41 a.m. Central Daylight Time on June 8th, the Beast touched down 5 to 6 miles southwest of Barneveld. Rated an F5 on the Fujita scale, with winds over 261 miles per hour, this tornado was a juggernaut. It widened and intensified as it barreled northeast at over 60 miles per hour. At 12:50 a.m., it slammed into Barneveld, no mercy. Moments earlier, a lightning strike killed the town's power. Silencing the tornado siren. Residents woke to thunder that rattled their bones, but it was too late. And lifting at 1:40 a.m. in northern Dane County, 59 minutes of chaos. Debris rained far and wide. A bank pouch landed 86 miles away in Mayville. Paperwork reached Barneveld, 110 miles northeast. Along its route, trees were stripped and debarked, another F5 hallmark. The Weather Service says this was part of a broader outbreak. F2s hit Arlington into Forest, and F3 struck Markesan, and more tore through southern Wisconsin. But Barneveld bore the brunt, the deadliest and costliest blow of all.